Hey, man.
Watch out!
WOODPECKER.
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark inside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. Funny-looking bird, and he stood right before my eyes. With his waistcoat and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by